Look at this, turkey birds. This is the inside door trim, one for each side. It's stainless and it is in rough shape. This one here is the way it came out of the car. And I'm gonna polish it, try to get the scratches out of it, clean it up real good. This one, I've already treated the scratches, most of them. There's a little dent I have to fix. Can you see the difference? It's very subtle, but when you're in the sunlight, you can really see this one is scratched up, a lot of abrasions on it, and it just doesn't pop. This one, when I'm finished with it, I still have to polish. It should look really good. Thanks for watching.